If you wanna take a ride on the V train, you need those zeros on your BAC. You need to see straight, cause these days a ride on the V train is like a rare item on eBay. They don't come around often. And if you got a problem, then be safe, just stay home. Cause there's no way that you're going if you're gonna act the fool. You're not that cool and you can't school the principal. Bruce is only your game, man, you're not invincible. Every incident is critical, so do you take 5 and stay alive? Or else the next ride on the V train might be to save your life. Yeah, who wants to take a ride on the V train? Better hang on tight or you'll feel pain. These old country corners at 4 in the morning are gonna seem straight, cause we late. But each day we arrive just on time, thanks to the V train.